Hey, return that. Ezekiel, you don't have money. Oh, where's your money? Where's your money? Eh?
You only have 10 pesos.
It's only 10 pesos. It's 700 pesos.
Kanina lang na, parang kumpleto na yung collection ba?
Pila din?
About this one.
Ano siya nga na good?
Ano mo siya? Anong mga big car? Eh?
Sabi 4.
Oh, return na, return. We don't have money. Hey, return that. We don't have money.
Pero sa return it na. How you tell nanay, can we buy this? O tell her. Show
I don't have
beautiful eyes.
money.
Pakit face. Show pakit eyes. Show her pakit eyes.
What this? Big dinosaur.
Pakit eyes. Show nanay. Please.
Oh, big dinosaur.
Excavator lagi na.
Oh, we don't have money. Ezekiel, what? What? We're not friends. Okay. Leave it there because we're not friends. No one will buy it for you. Come on. No one will pay it for you. Okay, you have money? Yeah. Oh, where's your money?
Kwarta, sumot na po. Oh, get your money ka. Magbayad ka dito ka. Oh, 3 pesos.
Pay na.
It's not enough.
Ayan, pwede daw pabayaran. Go to the cashier na.
Para yan ang
We're not friends daw na. Okay.
hindi ba sa ipat? Bayad din yun.
Hey.
Put this in the cut.
Ask, ate.
Put it in the cut here. No.
That's not enough. Oh, ask first the cashier if it is enough. So we're not friends daw. Yan na siya na.
The best nanay.
You are the best nanay. Nabudol mo na naman ako.
Show nanay pakit eyes. Ina, pakit eyes.
Hey, look at me.
Pakit eyes. Pakit eyes. Nanay.
Kalaban mo nanay. Ano yung you're the best?
Karon yan eh. Smile na Ezekiel.